Welcome to our channel. While most hard inquiries remain on your credit report for 2 years, you can dispute unauthorized or inaccurate inquiries to have them removed. Step 1. Obtain free copies of your credit reports from all 3 major bureaus at annualcreditreport.com. Review them carefully for all hard inquiries. Step 2. Identify any hard inquiries you didn't authorize or that resulted from identity theft. Legitimate inquiries you authorized cannot be removed. Step 3. Gather evidence supporting your dispute, such as documentation proving you never applied for credit or police reports if fraud was involved. Step 4. Write a formal dispute letter to each credit bureau reporting the unauthorized inquiry. Include your full name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Step 5. In your letter, clearly identify each inquiry you're disputing, explain why it's inaccurate, and request its removal. Step 6. Send your dispute letter via certified mail with return receipt requested to prove the bureau received it. Step 7. Credit bureaus have 30 days to investigate your dispute and respond. They'll contact the creditor who made the inquiry to verify its legitimacy. Step 8. If the inquiry is found to be unauthorized or the creditor can't verify it, the bureau must remove it from your report. Step 9. Follow up if you don't receive a response within 30 days. Keep copies of all correspondence for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.